If you're still replying to frequently asked questions manually, then be with me in this video where I'm going to show you how you can make an AI assistant. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create WhatsApp AI assistant in 10 minutes using Pabbly. Now just imagine you are running a business and most of your time is utilized because of manual reply. But if I tell you you can automate this task with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, yes, this is possible, where you need to create an AI assistant, and whenever a new message is received on your AI assistant, it is automatically going to be replied to them without any manual effort and within few seconds. If you want to know how to make this AI assistant, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. Here you can see I have made an AI agent, and in this video also I'm going to tell you how you can make a WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI agent for your business. This chatbot is going to handle your common customer query, help and guide your customer through the process, and make your customer experience much more better. So without wasting any more time, let me show you how this AI agent is going to work. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web. And here I'm going to type a key message. For example, I need help. As soon as I have entered my initial message, they have replied me with a message which says, I understand you are looking for help. If you could share a bit more about your specific issue and question, I'll be happy to assist you. When I'm going to type a question about their company, who can use HubSpot? And for that, they have answered me like sales team, marketing agency, coaching and consultant, real estate and service business, small and mid-sized companies. After that, they have also mentioned that any business that manage lead, client and inquiries can benefit from HubSpot. If you have more question about it, feel free to ask. Next, I'm going to ask about what feature does HubSpot offer? And for that, this bot has answered me the features the HubSpot can offer, like lead capture, CRM storage, automation, email, WhatsApp message, sales pipeline, follow-up reminders, team notification, activity logs, custom workflow and integration. Next, I'm going to ask about lead automation work. And for that, they have answered me lead automation HubSpot works seamlessly to streamline your sales process. Here's how it operates. Lead capture, CRM storage, team notification, and follow-up actions. This process eliminates the need of manual data entering, make it efficient and effective. If you have more questions or need further clarity, feel free to ask. And here you can see this chatbot is answering all my frequently asked questions about the company within few seconds and making my customer experience so much better and satisfied. So why you are wasting your time manually replying to each and every customer when you can just automate your task by using our application Pabbly Chatflow? And here I'm going to provide you a special coupon code which is MUSYT to get an exclusive discount on your purchase. This coupon code is valid for annual and lifetime deal. Well, lifetime deal is a plan where you need to pay once, and after that all this automation will be done by the Pabbly and your all manual work will be turned into automated. And with that, I have provided this coupon code in the description box for the better access. But before purchasing this product, let me show you how you can make this automation. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you're going to search this, you will be landed on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you can run your entire business on WhatsApp by automate marketing, sales and customer support. Not only that, we have Pabbly community where you can get exclusive access of real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow user. Also here you can share your ideas, ask questions and get latest update for using Pabbly application. If you want to know how to join this community, we have provided a link in the description box for the better access. For now, as we got to know about the community, let me move back to the landing page, and over here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every single month. And if you want unlimited access, you can purchase our product by using my code MUSPC to get an exclusive discount. As I'm existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which today we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. After selecting Pabbly Chatflow, you will be landed on the dashboard page. Here you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place by using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. Now, if you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given over here. And if you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number in detail, we have provided a detailed video in the description box. You can check that out. Not only that, we have different features like inbox, contact, team queue, template, broadcast, flow, AI assistant, activity log, WhatsApp payment, setting, and get help. If you want to know any of these features in detail, we have provided a video for that as well in the description box. You can check that out. For today, as we are making AI assistant, I will select AI assistant feature over here. And after that, I will click on Add AI Assistant button to create a new AI assistant for my business. Now here I'm going to provide a meaningful name. As we are making this AI assistant to answer frequently asked questions, I will name it accordingly. You can also provide your business name over here. And from here, I can build my AI assistant by adding different features like AI instruction, knowledge source, assistant interface, and styling. First, I need to select my AI instruction, where I need to select my instruction type. It can be AI agent, customer support, sales agent, language tutor, coding expert, life coach, and futuristic fashion advisor. For today, as we are making an AI agent, I will select AI agent as my instruction type. And once I have selected my instruction type, they have provided me few instructions over here that explain how my AI is trained and how it is going to help me and work for my business. These instructions also include how AI agent is going to respond by solving issues, effectively answering to my customer, and listening attentively to their needs. Now on to my next step. Below that, we have AI configuration, in which temperature is a key setting, where 0 means focus and 1 means creative. And for today, I'm going to keep my temperature as 0.3 to keep my reply focused but little creative. After that, I'm going to select my platform that is going to help me to generate my response, where my platform is going to be OpenAI and my model is going to be GPT-4o Mini, where GPT-4o Mini model is a cost-effective model. That's why I have selected this model. On to my next step, I will enter my API key. Now to get an API, you need to click on this hyperlink and you should have a paid account to generate an API key. Now to create an API key, you need to click on Create New Secret Key button and after that name your test key. Now I'm going to click on Create Secret Key button and my key is created over here. I'm just going to copy this and paste this key over here. After that, I'm going to connect my platform with AI agent and here you can see my OpenAI key saved successfully. Below that, you can provide header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempts, and fallback message, where stop keywords is a message that is going to transfer your chat from AI to human. And fallback message are the message that is going to be responded when your AI assistant is not connected properly or have any error. Now, as we are done with AI instruction, let's move to the knowledge source. Now, over here, I'm going to upload my knowledge source, and for that, I need to open my Google Doc account, where you can see I have provided the knowledge source of my company that could be asked by my customer on a regular basis. After that, I'm going to download this knowledge source, and for that today, I'm going to download my knowledge source in a plain text form. You can also download your knowledge source in a TXT or PDF form, where in text and PDF form there will be no page limit, but however a PDF containing image will be limited to the 10 pages. For today, I'm going to download it in a plain text form and drag my file over here. And as you can see, my file is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to set up my assistant interface, where I need to provide header name, subheading name, initial message, label, footer message, footer link, and user first message. First, I'm going to provide a heading name, which is going to be the name of my company. Below that, I'm going to provide a subheading name, which is going to be present below the heading name. After that, you need to provide an initial message that is going to be delivered as soon as my customer enter the trigger message. Now, to add your initial message, you need to type your message and press the enter key and your message will be added. And note that you can only add 2 initial message at the time. After that, I'm going to provide the label whether you can choose you want to show or not. As I don't have any issue, I will enable it, and below that I will enter my company footer text and footer link. And lastly, I will provide the user first message, which is going to be entered by my user to initiate a conversation. Now, as we are done with assistant interface, now let's move to the last step, which is styling. Styling will help to enhance your chatbot, where you can provide theme mode, assistant shape, background color, text color, header profile picture, background picture, assistant profile picture to make your chatbot much more attractive for your customer. For today, I'm going to leave it as it is. And with that, we are done setting up our AI assistant. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, my AI assistant saved successfully. That means it is ready to run in real time. But before testing it into real time, I'm going to show you one more important step. For that, you need to come with me to the settings section, and here you can see inbox setting is given. I'm going to open it in a new tab, where in the inbox setting page, you need to scroll down and come to AI auto reply. Here you can choose to enable or disable your auto reply. And with that, you can also select the contact list to whom you want to assign your AI assistant. As here I have selected all contact, I will select the AI assistant that I have created right now. And after that, I'm going to save the changes. And here you can see my inbox settings saved successfully. Now it is fully ready to run in real time. Now let's test it is working properly or not. For that, again, I need to open WhatsApp web, and I'm going to clean the previous conversation. Again, I'm going to enter my initial message. As I have told you, we have entered our initial message as I need help. And for that, they have replied me, I'm here to help. Please let me know what specific assistant you need, and I will do my best to support you. And over here, I'm going to ask a question from the knowledge source that we have provided, where I'm going to ask about the pricing plan. And for that, they have replied me with the different plan and their prices. And as you can see, the prices they have mentioned is also been mentioned on the knowledge source that we have provided. So as you can see, this AI assistant is working properly and answering all the questions from the knowledge source that we have provided. Also, it is making my customer experience so much better, with that also saving a lot of my time, which was in past wasted on manual reply. And here I will suggest you to please try this AI assistant for once for yourself, and then purchase our product by using my code MUSYT to get an exclusive discount. Also with that, don't forget to tell me what business you are running right now and how it is going to help you in that. I will be waiting for your comment. Till then, thank you for watching. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.